Like many mechanical devices, our water meters wear out and lose accuracy over time. Meters have a limited useful life and eventually require replacement as they can fail, not accurately account for water use, and even start to leak our precious resource, water.
Over the next 3 years, the City of Oxnard will replace all Oxnard water customers' meters through its Advanced Meter Infrastructure Project, called the AMI project for short. Here are answers to some frequently asked questions from Oxnard water customers about the project.
As we are replacing every Oxnard water customer meter, the project will take about 3 years to complete. In order to manage the AMI project, the city has divided all Oxnard water customers into 6 zones. To find out when your meter will be replaced, go to the website www.oxnardwater.org and enter your address. This will inform you which zone you are in and of the anticipated month and year of your meter replacement.
The City of Oxnard is committed to making sure that every customer receiving a new meter is notified in advance and throughout the process. Together with our project contractors, 𝗬𝘄 and Professional Meters Inc., PMI for short, we will be notified of the meter replacement in 3 of the following ways. By mail. When the meter of your property is scheduled for replacement, you'll receive an informational mailer containing meter information and a tentative project schedule at least 30 days in advance. By door hanger, you'll also receive a door tag notification on your door prior to the estimated meter replacement 1 week in advance with an outline of the procedure and how long you can expect to be out of water service. Street signs. There will be signage at the street entrances to remind residents that replacements are happening in your neighborhood on the days of meter replacement.
Water meters are usually located in the ground near the curb in front of your house. They may also be located behind your home in the alley.
All you have to do is make sure that the meter is accessible to the city's contractors with no obstruction to the meter, such as a locked gate or parked car over the meter. The installation process is simple. There's usually only about a 20 to 30 minute interruption to your service, and residents receiving a new meter don't even have to be home during the process. On the day of replacement, workers will knock at your door or ring your doorbell to notify you that they will begin work. If you do not answer and they are unable to access and replace your meter, the workers will place a door tag on your door to let you know that they were unable to replace your water meter as planned and who to call to reschedule a replacement. For more information about the AMI project, please visit www.oxnardwater.org or call 805-385-8136.